Routing a corded probe through the CoolCube 28. The CoolCube 28 is equipped with an elastic external pocket to hold a temperature monitor or other things during use. When using a device with a corded probe, here's how you can do it. Step 1. After packing out the product, place the probe in the chamber with the product. Step 2. Route the cord to the center front of the CoolCube. Step 3. Take the plug end of the cord and slide it down between the insulation panel and outer wall of the case about 3 inches to the black flexible grommet. Step 4. Push the plug end of the cord through the flexible grommet from the inside out. Step 5. Place the last PCM panel on top to complete the chamber. Step 6. Close the lid of the CoolCube. Step 7. Plug the cord into the temperature monitor and place it in the pocket of the CoolCube. One moment of caution here. Routing a cord through the open lid and not utilizing the grommet hole will likely inhibit the lid from closing completely and could damage or sever the cord when closing the lid. Now go enjoy the peace of mind a CoolCube brings.